Assalamu alaikum, my brothers and sisters. There are thousands, tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands, if not millions of people fulfilling the daily prayers in smaller congregations within their homes. And this is also a gift of the Almighty. So it's not like the congregational prayers have decreased. In fact, they have increased tremendously. Are you fulfilling congregational prayers at home? If not, then make sure you gather your family members and start fulfilling the prayers in congregation. Earn the blessings of the Almighty. Let's look at the positives in the negative. The positives, as much as maybe the masajid are restricted, but we have so many more people praying and many more congregations. In fact, a millionfold. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala accept it from us. Assalamu alaikum.